In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Roblox on iPhone with PlayStation 5 Controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using a PlayStation 5 Controller to play Roblox on an iPhone is extremely simple. This is because to connect the PlayStation 5 Controller to your iPhone, all that you have to do is use Bluetooth, and Roblox will natively detect it. So first of all, go over to the settings on your iPhone and access the Bluetooth category. Inside of Bluetooth, you will be able to make sure that it is enabled, and now you need to put your DualSense controller into pairing mode. To do this, press and hold the PlayStation and share buttons simultaneously for a couple of seconds. Do this and hold them until you see the lights or the LEDs flash rapidly, indicating that the controller is now ready to pair. If you look at the list of devices available on your iPhone, under the Bluetooth category, you will be able to find the DualSense controller. Just select it from the list, and once the controller is enabled and properly connected to your iPhone, you will be able to go inside of Roblox. So in here, all that you have to do is browse through all of the categories and join an experience that has support for controllers. Once you join an experience, for example, blocks fruits, you will usually see a warning telling you that gamepad mode was enabled and now you will be able to play. So as you can clearly tell, I'm now using my controller to play blocks fruits on Roblox. You will be able to do this with any compatible controller, including the DualSense PlayStation 5 controller. So just join any experience and you will be able to use it. If it doesn't work right away when you join the experience, first, try joining other experiences because sometimes the problem could be attributed to the experience that you are trying to play exclusively, or alternatively, maybe the controller was not detected. So go back into the Bluetooth settings and make sure that it was properly set up before you try anything else. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Roblox on iPhone with PlayStation 5 controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.